Welcome back, financial enthusiast. Are you ready to embark on a roller coaster ride through the financial universe of QUALCOMM Incorporated? Buckle up, because we're about to take a wild journey through numbers, metrics, and stock market magic that will leave you both informed and entertained. Picture this: you're at a crowded party, and everyone's buzzing about the latest gossip. Well, for QUALCOMM Incorporated, the party's price-to-earnings ratio (TTM) is at 18.06, slightly below its 5-year average of 19.51. But wait, there's more. Looking ahead, the PRFWD is 14.54, hinting at a potential bargain for savvy investors. Ever heard of the price-to-earnings-to-growth ratio? It's like the secret sauce of stock valuation, blending growth potential with the current price. QUALCOMM serves up a PG ratio of 2.16, suggesting a balanced dish of growth and value. Who's pulling the strings behind the scenes? With insider ownership clocking in at 0.21%, it's clear that QUALCOMM's leadership has skin in the game, aligning their interests with those of shareholders. Now let's talk about the profitability metrics. QUALCOMM isn't just a player in the tech world, it's a powerhouse of profitability. With a return of equity soaring at 37.63%, return of assets at 15.42%, and return of invested capital at 23.37%, it's safe to say they're hitting the financial bullseye. Let's talk about those earnings. QUALCOMM dishes out an EPS of 9.08, with analysts forecasting a delectable 8.34% growth over the next 5 years. But hold on to your hats, because the real feast begins with the evolution of EPS. After a bumpy ride, it's been a tale of redemption with a compound annual growth rate of 5.85%. QUALCOMM's free cash flow per share has been on a wild ride, growing at a mouth-watering rate of 7.61% over the past decade, with jumps and downs but constantly growing. And what's better than cash? Dividends. With a yield of 2.04% and a tantalizing 8.62% growth in dividends over the last 10 years, QUALCOMM is a dividend lover's dream. Operating margin? Check. Profit margin? Double check. QUALCOMM is serving up margins of 24.81% and 21.39%, respectively, proving that they're not just tech wizards but financial ninjas too. And when it comes to revenue, QUALCOMM's been on a steady incline over the past 8 years, making it rain in the market. This situation has translated to the QUALCOMM market price, obtaining a higher total return than VOO during the last 5 years. QUALCOMM's debt? A mere drop in the ocean, with a debt-equity ratio of 0.67 and long-term to equity ratio of 0.63, it is clear that its financial health is safe. And with a market cap of a whopping $185.23 billion, they're not just players, they're titans of the tech industry. Finally, analysts are bullish on QUALCOMM, predicting a price target of $175.24 in the next 12 months. But hold on to your hats, because I believe the fair value sits at $169.85, offering a sweet spot between analysts' predictions and current prices. So, there you have it, folks. QUALCOMM Incorporated isn't just a tech giant, it's a financial force to be reckoned with. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious bystander, one thing's for sure: QUALCOMM's numbers don't just tell a story, they paint a masterpiece of success in the making. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing!